Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're working on a 2009 Mercedes E350. Just wanted to go over a few things. If you're having any kind of issues as far as like startability issues, this car would start, then it wouldn't, and then randomly, especially when it was cold, usually it would start, then you turn it off, it would start, it would stay running, randomly it would start stalling. It had communication issues with the main computer. We went in, we started checking wiring, we started checking all the fuses. This vehicle has a fuse box, I believe, located under the engine bay, I believe under the, on the driver's side and interior, as well as the rear hatch area. So we went through all three fuse boxes, checking all the fuses. They all appeared to be good. Then that's when we figured probably got an ECU issue. So we contacted ECU Pro, sent our ECU out. Sure enough, they found a problem. It's fairly common on these Mercedes E350s. We went ahead and ordered a new ECU for it, and we're going to go ahead and throw it in. Let's see if it solves our problem. This is our new reflashed ECU. Unfortunately, ours was non-repairable, so we had to order a new one. We did save a little bit of money because we did find the exact same serial number ECU on eBay. I think it was 150 bucks, sent it into them. Luckily, they're able to reflash that one, because if you get it from them, I want to say it's like $1,100. This was one of those cars where we had to save every penny we could. This was the old one. Internally, apparently it's trash, so we're going to try throwing this new one here. Good thing is these are very easy to change on these vehicles. Just pull that main airbox off, as you can see right here. This is where your computer's going to go. We're basically going to put these connectors like this, slide in fairly easily. Make sure these are snapped all the way in. On these, you want to make sure you got everything connected. This needs to go all the way down, clip in here. Obviously, too, before you change that ECU or remove it, you always want to disconnect your battery. Now we reconnected the battery. This one has always been a little low, so we put a jump box on, connect the positive before the negative. Now we're gonna go see if this solved our problem here. Got the key in the ignition. Okay, she started. That's good. We're gonna have to let it run to see if it's still doing the idle issue where it would stall after it warms up, and then we want to let it run, make sure when it's warmed up it'll still crank, turn off, crank. So far so good, guys. So we got the car to operating temperature. It is still staying on, it's not dying anymore. As you can see, when we turn the car off now, go back to start it, she starts right up. So that was our issue. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.